It's the season of gift giving, and criminals are taking advantage. They are tampering with gift cards. They are taking gift cards in retail stores and putting another barcode over the card barcode. And they do it in a way that it's very difficult to tell. And when the cashier scans, the money is loaded onto the scammer's card. And then when someone goes to redeem that card, there's $0 on that balance. And here are some good ways to protect yourself. If you're buying a gift card for someone, inspect that barcode very carefully. Feel for stickers or any erased areas. Avoid a card that looks tampered with. If possible, buy a card that is kept behind the counter. And this, as you're buying it, as soon as you can, check the balance. Once it's purchased, keep that receipt. And when possible, buy digital cards directly from the correct website. And obviously, make sure it is the correct website. I want everyone to have a happy holiday. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy New Year, or whatever you celebrate. But most of all, I want you to celebrate it safely. Please share this warning with everyone you know, especially with seniors and with holiday shoppers.